You lost? We're just back for more fun.
We just came here to talk.
Oh, really?
You bring your little toys to every conversation you have?
Or do you just want to see me burn again?
Stop.
Get out of here. You were right. Just heal from me. I can't hold him forever. Go!
Fire, I'll fire.
Like a supervillain?
He's got a rhythm and it's all you need. So everybody come and rock your beat. Take it down to the early threes when the champagne flow like a river stream. Yeah, cause I'm a going down at a railroad track and they ain't coming back and we ain't coming back. Cause I'm
Anything in here that looks fun is probably lethal.
Just like me.
Don't do that.
So everybody come along with me. Go down the river and wash your feet now. To where the people live a life that's sweet in a place that's right with the jungle heat. Yeah, well I'm a going down in the railroad track, but they ain't coming back. No, I ain't coming back 'cause I'm leaving town.
What's the big deal? Come on, live up to your name, Killer Frost. I want to see some killing. Right. Come on. Kill me, Caitlin. You can't do it. You can't. Because underneath all that cold, you're still you.
Yeah, 'cause I'm a going down at a railroad track, but they ain't coming back. No, I ain't coming back 'cause I'm leaving town and I ain't coming back no more.
If I ever decide to go full villain again, you can give me the lame heart to heart.